Hornbrook Smith Hollick House circa 1890, built in the East Lake aesthetic style. Wellington Vroom, prominent local businessman and local politician who lived on Juliana Street, built this house as a speculative investment. Vroom sold the house to Mary Hornbrook, wife of Philip Hornbrook, a steamboat owner and operator. They lived here with their daughter Ruth for the remainder of their lives, and Ruth remained in the house until her death. In 1956, Ruth Hornbrook founded the Wood County Humane Society to promote the cause for humane education, looking to prevent cruelty experienced by children and animals. According to the original certificate of incorporation, the principal office or place of business was to be located at 1020 Ann Street, Parkersburg. Upon her death, Miss Hornbrook willed the house to benefit the local Humane Society. In 1990, Norman and Judith Smith purchased the house from the society through the Parkersburg Community Foundation. There was little documentation to help the Smiths restore the house to the way it looked in the 19th century, so they attempted to restore it to what was typical of the late Victorian era. As of June 2022, Eric and Tiffany Hollick purchased the property and worked to include updating all of the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, as well as adding modern functionality to the home, while still keeping the house's Victorian charm and features.